Hello everyone. Welcome back to your channel. In this video, we're going to be talking about the new pricing for the Tesla Cybertruck. As you can see right here, it's starting at $59,000. So let's go over the differences and then the price and uh, what it comes with for the basic one or the one with the $59,000. So here, click on the dual motors all-wheel drive 59,000, right? So I think if you the difference was the towing capacity. The other one was 11,000. So this one's 7,500. So if you don't need a lot of towing, you just need a truck in the city just for driving around, and you don't do a lot of towing. I think saving $20,000 is a big difference, right? So, but let's go. It actually has, and then you see the price difference here. It gives you a $20,000 difference between the three variants, right? So some other like the Model Y, it has like five different trims, so it's really hard for us um, to even pick one, right? There's so many. Make it really simple, right? But Tesla, it's just like any other car company as far as in pricing wise. Because if you're looking at, let's say, for example, a Toyota, right? You can get like a 4Runner, like a basic one, like the SR5. You're looking at about what, like 45,000. And then if you max out the trim, go all the way to the platinum or maybe the limited version, you're looking about like 70,000, or it could be a little bit more than that, right? So same thing here. So uh, the lower the trim, the less margin that goes to Tesla. So of course they want to sell it to people that are buying with the highest trim. So as you can see here, the Cyber Beast, that's like $40,000, right? So if you can sell the Cyber Beast all day long, of course you would do that. But like, how many people can actually afford the Cyber Beast, right? So, but let's go. Let's dig into the new pricings of the Tesla Cybertrucks. 59,000. This is what we're going to be getting, right? So it's a new motor, all-wheel drive, which is nice because I think when it first came out, I think Elon mentioned that it was like $39,000, and then you get like dual motor with 49,000, and then 69,000 for the tri motors, I believe. So Tesla is it's getting there, right? And let's see, dual motors, bed with motorized tonneau cover, bed outlets, two 220 volts, and then one 240 volts. Not bad. Coil springs with adaptive damping and durable textile interiors. So instead of leather, you get textile, right? So let's see if there's any pictures you can take a look at now. And then, as we're aware, that Tesla removed the option for the $8,000 full self driving. So now, if you really want it, you can only do a monthly subscription, which is $99, right? But if you buy this one, it includes 30 days free, and then included here with the bed package, towing included right here. Not bad, 500. The wheel, 18 inches included, and you want 20 inch, you pay 2,500 more. And if you want to add this package here, what, $3,000. All right, warranties is going to be the same. This is accessory that you need, you can charge at home, right? And let's see what else. And maybe we're just gonna click through the pricing and you see the price detail. All right, so $59,000, 18-inch wheel, tow package, all that stuff. Pay as you go, supercharging, 1 year premium, 30 days full self driving, and blah blah blah. You add it up, everything will be $62,000 and $235, right? And you buy it today, you pay with anything for $250, right? So to me, I think that's pretty good. All-wheel drive Tesla Cybertruck. Um, if I didn't, it's almost the same price as my Model Y, right? But too bad, right now trading in my Model Y is a piece of crap. They give like what in the like mid 20s. So let's go to the premium one and let's see what's the difference here. A little bit more premium interior, audio, and second row, blah blah blah. Not much, right? For $20,000 more, and then here you get here tactical gray, white colors. right? So if you really don't care about any of the stuff, then yeah, of course, the base model would be good as long as it's all-wheel drive, right? But again, if you have more money to spend and you need to show off to your friends, right? Then of course you go with the Cyber Beast, right? You get everything here. You can see. Let's see. It says compare the models here. Let's see what will it give us. Here you go. Oh, even better. This is really nice. So you can see here, most affordable. I agree. Dual motor all-wheel drive. Everything seems here except for the tri-motor. Unreal performance, right? 2.6 seconds, 0 to 60. Range-wise, same. Charging supercharged in 15 minutes, up to 132 miles. So again, 137, 135, not big of a difference. Total capacity, however, it's half. Right. So again, like I said, if you just buy it just locally, you don't tow a lot, 7,500 is more than enough. Some people might even tow it all. So it's real. It all depends. And 0 to 60, 4.1 second, 4.1 second, and then 2.6 seconds, which is great. And here is premium. But if you look, 7 speakers instead of 15 speakers, right? I don't know. Maybe you buy this one and you can upgrade later on, and maybe they have everything set already. Just turn it on by software. Who knows, right? But if I think even with 7 speakers, it should be good enough. I don't know. But then for the price, the money that you're saving, it'd be awesome. And here included with all the trims here, you can see 8 exterior cameras, including the front facing, everything there. So it is really down to up to you how you're comfortable with your financial stuff, you know. But Tesla is moving in a good directions, right? From the last time that I checked with Cybertruck, they had a lot of them in inventories, and they ended up selling all of them to SpaceX, right? So again, if it can go down a little bit more, if it goes up to $49,000, I think, man, it's sweet. So let's see if you can, not the Cybertrucks, right? Now that's the Cybertruck. So now let's talk about uh, the Model X and Model S because they're gonna discontinue continue those models, right? And let's see, let's go with the Model S, really nice model, and see if you, and the fact that they removed the full self driving, right? So as you can see right here, even though after February 14th, right now, if the full self driving, you can still get it with the Lux package, right? So for those of you who missed it and who really, really must have full self driving, you can still get it here, but you just have to pay a little bit more. Let's say cash price for this one right here. All-wheel drive is 94,000, almost $95,000. Excuse me, in the plaid model, like 110. But then you get included all the high-end package right here, supercharging. Again, it comes down to uh, how well off you are, or how good with your financial stuff. Let's see. It mentions something that it won't get transfer to the next one. It'll stay with the car. So, but Tesla usually uh, they do a lot of changes, or they make a lot of offers and a lot of incentive just to get the car sold. So they might even offer again. Who knows, right? So, but this one again, it's going to be discontinued. But it's a good thing that Tesla is offering the Type Cybertruck at a really affordable price. It could be more affordable if they go down to 49. But I mean, they started in a good direction. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. If you plan on buying a Tesla, don't forget to use, if you don't have a referral code, you can always use my link, right? You get 3 months of full driving. But, and I want to thank you to those of you who already used it. Thank you very much. Other than that, be safe. Till next time.